Understanding an Alien Concept, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, an alien concept. This phrase is often used in English to describe something unfamiliar or strange. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and give you some examples to help you understand how to use it in your own conversations. So, let's dive in. The phrase, an alien concept, is a metaphorical expression. Here, the word alien doesn't refer to extraterrestrial beings from outer space. Instead, it means something foreign, unfamiliar, or completely different from what we are used to. When we say something is an alien concept, we imply that it is so new or strange to us that it feels like it comes from another world. This phrase is often used to express surprise or a lack of understanding about a new idea, practice, or way of thinking. The use of the word alien in this context dates back several centuries. It originally comes from the Latin word alienus, meaning belonging to another. Over time, the English language adopted this word to describe anything foreign or unfamiliar. Today, the phrase is used in everyday conversations, literature, and various forms of media to describe ideas or practices that are not commonly understood or accepted by a group of people. Let's look at some examples to see how an alien concept is used. 1. Cultural differences. In some cultures, eating insects is common, but for others, it's an alien concept. 2. Technological advances. For someone who grew up in the 1950s, the idea of a smartphone is an alien concept. 3. Changing social norms. The notion of remote work was once an alien concept, but now it's widely accepted. When using the phrase, an alien concept, remember that it's best suited for situations where you're describing something that is not just new but also hard to understand or accept at first. It's a powerful way to highlight the gap in understanding or acceptance between different groups, times, or cultures. We hope this video has made the phrase, an alien concept, a bit more familiar to you. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding not just the words, but the culture and context behind them. We're excited to continue this journey with you, exploring the rich and diverse world of the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.